Okay, so let's look at the words malodorous, malodorous, maelstrom or maelstrom, and masquerade. Masquerade. So, malodorous, adjective. Ooh, a bad smell. Something doesn't smell nice. Why is it so malodorous? That thing or that place is very malodorous. You don't want to go there. Very malodorous. Mal. Break the word down. And mal generally equals bad, and odor. Odor is smell. So malodorous. Odorous. A smell of an area, that's bad. Malodorous. Ugh. No thank you. Very nice. And maelstrom. Noun. A strong whirlpool in the sea or river. A whirlpool. The water going down. So the water's going down like, say, like this. Or like that. And here's the water surface. And things go inside it. A maelstrom. We sailed around a whirlpool. We sailed around the maelstrom. We avoided the maelstrom. We avoided the maelstrom. We avoided going around it. Or a situation where there is a lot of confused action. Like people doing, well, what's going on? Or the maelstrom, what's happening? Confused. This, that. Not sure. There was a maelstrom of people. They don't know what's happening. What's going on? Too much confusion. And masquerade. Noun. False pretense. A false reason. We can't keep up the masquerade forever. Keep up the masquerade. We can't keep the masquerade up forever. No. We can't keep going. You can't keep pretending. You cannot keep pretending forever. Masquerade. Because look at the word here. Mask. We have mask. M-A-S-K. But M-A-S-Q, M-A-S-K. But mask and charade. No, so it's like parade almost. Parade. So putting on a mask. False pretenses, like a mask. Let's see. This is close enough to a mask. And pretending to be somebody else. So a false pretense, pretending to be somebody else. Pretending something else. A masquerade. And with the mask, you are somebody else. Makes sense. Oh, and verb. Pretend to be someone who you are not. He masqueraded as his boss. So he is going around masquerading as the boss. He is masquerading as somebody else. She is masquerading as her sister. In a disguise, perhaps. A disguise. Like the clothes you wear to be different. So I'll wear a disguise so I can masquerade as somebody else. Yeah. How cool is that? So malodorous. Oh, malodorous, very smelly. Maelstrom, confusion or danger in the water. Masquerade, false pretense, or pretend to be somebody else. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.